you're reading, Eric.
About the little engine and the toys it brings. It's a birthday train, and tomorrow's my birthday.
A birthday train full of toys? I just can't believe you really believe that.
Sure I do. It'll come.
Don't hold your breath, because there's not going to be any little engines or birthday trains coming here.
It'll come. I know it will. I know it will. I know it will. I know it will. Wake up, Chip. Get up, lazy bird.
Leave me alone, Tilly. I couldn't sleep all night.
Chip, have you been eating those green worms again?
Yeah.
Well, a little work will get you going.
Refined engines such as I should never get up this early. It's bad for our chug.
Oh, that's silly, Farnsworth.
Well, what would you know about it? You're just a little switch engine moving real engines around the train yard.
Hey, what do you mean, real engines?
Stop squabbling! We can't waste a minute!
What is the assignment that I shall do so extremely well?
You take that passenger train over the mountain to the town.
Consider it done, old man.
Keep 'em rolling, Tilly.
Come on, Pete.
Careful, kid. Don't bust a boiler.
Ha! Are you kidding? Hold on to your smokestack.
Boy, Tilly's sure fired up this morning.
sake, Pete, watch that smoke.
Yeah. Where to today, boss?
See that freight train? Over the mountain to the town.
Nothing to it, boss. Be back in a flash.
Oh, no! Chili, where's that milk train?
Hey, aren't y'all forgetting Jebediah?
Shh! I don't want to wake him up.
But Jebediah pulls the milk train.
Not today. I have a plan.
So you still want a train to pull?
Hey, I'm an engine, aren't I?
Settle down, girl. I'm on your side. Fact is, honey, I wouldn't mind if you were pulling a train for me. I got a little hitch in my chug along this morning. But you better get going.
Thanks, Georgia.
Jebediah, get that milk train rolling.
On my way, Tower.
What kind of joke is this?
It's no joke. I can do it.
You're too little, kid.
What do you know, you overgrown stack of lumber? She is not too little. Big blowhard.
What y'all got for me today, Tower?
That load of toys and stuff over there.
Oh, happy day, the birthday train. But it's empty.
Rolo the clown is loading now, so get going.
Yes, sir. Don't you worry, Tilly. You'll have a train of your own someday.
I hope I can. I hope I can.
Are you ready?
Raring to roll, Rolo.
Okay, Jeepers!
What's the rush? They'll never fit in there.
Okay!
Oh, my. Oops.
Sandy Pandy!
Coming.
Stretch and Missy!
That sounds like the most wonderful train ever.
Don't worry, Tilly. You'll get your chance.
I hope I do.
It is my honor to say, that is, I am pleased to announce, that that it's time to...
Oh, come on, let's go!
Let's go.
I could do that.
Are you still dreaming? You and that dumb train.
It's not dumb.
It's worse than dumb. It's not even real.
It will come. I know it will. I know it will.
Like she said.
I don't know. Something went spoing, and I just stopped. I sure am sorry.
I knew it! I knew it! We'll never get over the mountain. I knew it.
Does it hurt?
Oh, no, Jeepers, it doesn't hurt, but I can't go either.
As director, that is head, that is leader of the playthings or toys, I'll go for aid, assistance, help, SOS kind of thing, you know.
Well, how about if I just signal for help?
I know. How about if we just signal for help?
Toot, toot, toot. Toot, toot.
Tilly, something's wrong.
It's Georgia, and she's in trouble.
Doc! Doc! Train in trouble.
It's Georgia and the birthday train.
There's no time to lose. Say toot. Well, you'll be all right. It's just a bent spungermonger. But there won't be any mountain climbing for a few days.
But, Doc, we've got to get the birthday train over that, the thing, that big, lump, that mountain, today.
I'm sorry. I've got to get Georgia back to the roundhouse.
But...
Why not just flag down another engine?
Yeah. Farnsworth and Pete'll be along soon enough.
Right! Of course, that's what I'll do. I was just about to say that. I know an engine will come along. I'm sure it will. I think. Maybe. Please. See? I told you so. Did I know or what?
You're lucky, that's what.
Stop!
What do you think you're doing?
We
Oh, what this clown's trying to tell you is that our engine has broken down, and the boys and girls on the other side of the mountain won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat unless you help us.
yeah.
I pull you. I have just pulled a fine passenger train over the mountain. There I was, pulling smoothly, so fine people can enjoy the view, and so other fine people can sleep comfortably, and so other fine people in the dining car can eat. I pull the likes of you. Indeed, 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 indeed.
We aren't gonna make it.
Well, he's not the only engine in the world.
I didn't think he was the right one for us anyway. Ah, that sounds more like the right one.
This time, be careful.
Oh, see, wait, stop! Ha! Nothing to it. On the other hand...
Hey, what do you clowns want?
Well, our engine has broken down, and the good little boys and girls won't have any toys to play with or good food to eat, unless you are to be helping us, huh?
You want me to pull you? Listen, kid, only this morning I pulled a freight train with a very important printing press over the mountain. It'll print books and newspapers for grown-ups to read about important things. I am a very important engine, and I don't pull the likes of you. I do not. I won't pull you. I won't pull you. I won't pull you.
told you there wouldn't be any engines to pull us?
There will so.
There will not.
There will.
There won't.
There will.
There won't.
You'll have your old chug back in a couple of days.
Poor Georgia.
Yeah, but now's your chance.
My chance? Right, for a train. Tower,
Now what?
let me take the birthday train over the mountain.
You really want to do this, don't you, kid?
I think I can.
I think he's gonna go for it.
Never. Nix. No way, no time, not now, not ever. No, no, no!
There won't be any more engines.
There will.
There won't.
There will.
There won't. Read my beak. No more engines.
Excuse me, please.
Oh, sure.
Right. Won't.
Will.
Won't.
Will.
Won't.
Will.
Won't. Hey, quiet down. We're trying to talk. There won't.
A train?
So we need an engine to take us over the mountain.
Listen, could you, what they said?
Why, I'd love to.
Yay!
Yep, I'd love to, but my just isn't what it used to be. And going over the mountain is too much for me these days. Sorry. Just can't do it. 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 I just couldn't do it, Tilly.
If you can't, and Pete and Farnsworth won't, well, then there's nobody to take them.
There's you.
Yeah! There's me!
Shh. Rock-a-bye tower in the train yard.
Like I said, no more engines.
Oh no, now we will never go.
Oh, dry up, Twinkle Toes. If we get going now, maybe we can make it to a toy store in time for Christmas.
But, are you quitting? Listen to me. Quitters never, well, they don't win. They can't, don't you see? And winners, they never quit.
Easy for him to say. But who's going to pull us?
I think I can.
Oh, great. Now we've got a miniature choo-choo who thinks she can pull us.
I think I can!
I think I can. 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 I think I can.
When your feet are dragging on the ground, stand up and face whatever you're afraid of. When pandemonium is all around,
That's when you find out what it is you're made of.
if you will just believe it's true, then there is nothing you can't do. There's not a mountain that you can't climb. There's not a river you can't make it over. There's no tomorrow that you can't find if you try. I know you're gonna make it. Nothing can stop you now.
There's not a mountain that we can't climb. There's not a river we can't make it over. There's no tomorrow that we can't find if we try. You know we're gonna make it. Nothing can stop us now. 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 Nothing can stop us.
Turn back. You're too little. You can't do it.
I think I can.
You'll be Go for it, little train. I think you can.
I'm going over that mountain.
You're too little. You'll never make it through the storm. Too little.
I think I can. Phew. That was too close. Are we still alive? Everything's all right. Whoa. I think I can.
There's not a mountain that we can't climb. There's not